Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. I'm, of course, Hickory the Drunk and Underwhelming. Welcome back to another episode of Hickory Reacts. And today on the channel, we're going to be checking out Idol's Car Crash. This was submitted by GW Foley. Said, hey, Hickory, this isn't something you normally do, but something you should check out. And I said, okay, man, I trust you. Let's get into it. Oh, I really like their logo. The sound of this is really, really cool. Oh, it's so like just heady and experimental and Ooh, I'm really digging this, man. The effects on these vocals are so crunchy. I got paid on payday. Now I dressed well fed. I got the keys to the Lambo and I took a walk instead. This song is cool. This video is absolutely crazy. I don't know what footage this is edited together or if this was something they shot, but this is a trip, man. This looks like a old school movie, but on a drug called distortion. This is almost creepier than the creepy videos we reacted to the other day on the channel. Oh, now it's headed back into the woods. This does look like a really cool horror movie right here. This car doesn't look in control at all. And like driving through a field and through a bridge. Man, this thing's all over the place and I'm really, really enjoying it. Thank you, GW, for the awesome suggestion.
I got myself together. I got myself in check. You caught me on my knees. Knees are all red.
Yeah, he caught me on my knees. Knees are all red. Is that a deer? No, that was a hand, to be clear. Sorry to pause so all willy-nilly, but this thing's got my head all over the place, and I'm enjoying the hell out of it. Oh, dude, this is so weird, and I really dig it. This is so weird. Bullet holes and different windshields and stuff all over the place. Oh, dude, this is a trip. Like, this is bizarre, and I'm enjoying every second of it. Okay, we had some fire, more an explosion. Just driving through a bunch of hanging meat. Yep, some type of like slaughterhouse type of thing. It's so all over the place, but it's like super fun to watch. Never quite sure where this thing is going or headed. I don't really know where it's been. That's this is a lot of sensory overload all coming in at once, and it's a blast, man. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I am. Please give a shout out to GW Foley for suggesting the video. This is there's a lot to take in. I mean, this has been the most normal part of the video so far, and it's still not anywhere all that near normal. Yeah, dude on the back of the motorcycle just throwing rounds back through the car. What a crazy action scene. And yeah, I gotta know, man, is it all old movie segments edited together really well, or did they film this thing? Like, what the hell is going on in this? I have no idea. I don't know. Either way, absolutely having a fun time with this. Dude. Just driving through all sorts of stuff. Finn, over. That was absolutely awesome. That was Car Crash by Idols. GW, thank you for the suggestion, brother. I absolutely appreciate it. And what another phenomenal tune suggested to us on the channel. Thank you guys for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed it, because I sure did. I have no idea what I just watched, and I loved every second of it. That's all I got in this one. I am, of course, Hickory the Drunk and Underwhelming. You want to see a drunk magician who's way out of his depths react to shit down there in the comment sections where you should be leaving it. I will see you guys in the next one. Drunk Magician out. Cheers.